Forget the family recipes. If you didn't grow up with Greek food, I'm your Greek mommy now. And today we're making my viral chicken gyro meat. Since the internet went so low for my juicy chicken, I thought, why not go even bigger? So move over, Kava, because we're about to make the ultimate edible Greek chicken pita bowl. Here's the deal. I marinate my chicken in all the good stuff. Garlic, salt, pepper, riga, generous pour of my family's liquid gold, olive oil. Once all the ingredients have had a chance to mingle, I stack the chicken high on my vertical skewer. Don't forget to toss a cut onion on top of the stack to prevent the chicken from burning. For your edible pita bowl, simply bake it in a cake tin. Yup, a cake tin. No fancy tools needed. Then load it up with lettuce, cucumber, tomatoes, chickpeas, pickled onions, tzatziki, garlic sauce, feta, and olives. So you can eat like a Greek all week. When you roast aubergine and then wrap it in aromatic ground beef and cheese and then bake it with potatoes and serve it with a tomato sauce and zesty yogurt, something dramatic happens. Today we're making a Turkish delicacy. Since eggplant is the most disliked nightshade, unfortunately underrated veggie. The beef exterior consists of high-quality ground beef, lots of my family's olive oil, salt, pepper, grated onion, and spices. Once the eggplant is super jammy, I coated it with the beef and cheese and baked it till caramelized, sweet, and so juicy. When you serve it with the warming tomato sauce, the beef soaks up every bit of flavor. If you're in love with all things Mediterranean, be sure to click that follow button so you never miss.
Steak stuffed baked potato with Parmesan lemon cream sauce. It's the perfect date night meal. The potato is fluffy and the steak is so tender. We'll start by oiling up some potatoes and sprinkling them with salt, then bake them in the oven while we cook up some steak. I like to season the steak well and then sear them in a cast iron, then toss the steak bites around to get them evenly coated. Set the steak aside and in the same pan we'll make the cream sauce, add in heavy cream, Parmesan, lemon juice, and seasonings. Then remove the potatoes from the oven, slamming them down on the counter to create that fluffy texture on the inside. Then assemble the potatoes by adding in some melted butter, the steak, and pouring over that cream sauce.
It's almost like falling in love for the first time, all over again. Hold on tight to the feeling, but it's a roller coaster in my head. So I'm holding myself on a precipice, and I've been dreaming